Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my hospital bag video. I am almost 33 weeks pregnant with twins and I thought I need to have my hospital bag definitely packed at this point in case anything happens, which right now I'm like on a really good track, so I'm pretty sure nothing's going to happen. So yeah, but I still have my hospital bag pretty much packed other than a few essential things that I still use on an everyday basis. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I have in my bag. My bag's not cute. This is honestly my cheer bag that I used in high school. Has my name on it. It's an Under Armour bag. And I've had it for so long. I use it for all my trips and vacations. And yeah, I'm just real and I don't have anything fancy because I have to spend all my money on 2 babies and a toddler, so I don't have enough money to pay for a luxury bag for a couple days in the hospital. So I've got my bag pretty much packed with the things that I want to bring to the hospital. Obviously I'm gonna like switch things up and put some more things in, take some things out, because I feel like a lot of people put so much stuff in there. I packed so much stuff when I had Hudson, and I realized that was really stupid of me because like I really didn't need that many outfits. I didn't need that many things. No. But with twins, I am so confused and I don't know what to do because I'm like, they might be really small, but they might be really big. So I don't know if I should like over prepare or under prepare. Hi. Jax, goodness gracious. I swear I can never make a video. This is like always so real. By the way, I'm filming in the nursery. I have not finished it. Just ordered my last few things for it. So here's a little sneak peek of the nursery. And yeah, oh, ow. I'm gonna blind mommy. He doesn't really have a boo-boo there. He did forever ago, but he still loves Band-Aids. Okay, I'm gonna get started. So the first thing I have in this bag is some Aiden and Is burp cloths. These are things that I didn't bring when I had Hudson, which I wish that I totally had. But, I mean, I had them, but I didn't bring them and I didn't think anything of it. So with me probably getting a C-section, knowing that I'm gonna be there maybe a week, I want to have like everything, so brought that, and then I brought some Aiden and Is blankets for the babies. If you guys have not tried these blankets, they are the best swaddle blankets ever. Like seriously, they are the best. They are so breathable. They're so good for swaddling. So I have one for boy, another one for boy, and then 2 for girl. My friend was so nice and gave me a whole bunch of Aiden and Is blankets, so I was so excited about these. I think she got them at Target. So then, I guess I'll show you like all the baby stuff before I get into what I brought for myself. So I feel like I kind of went a little bit overboard on the hats and the outfits. Like I just don't know what size they're going to be, so I just wanted to bring pretty much everything that I could. So to start off, I brought some preemie little onesies for baby girl. I mean, they could be preemie, they could be newborn, or I don't know, they could be 0 to 3 months. Who knows? Right now they're measuring about like 4 pounds a piece. I'm trying to like dig through here because I brought a lot of clothes, like a big stack. So I brought like a variety of outfits that I want to bring, and if they have NICU time, I want to have a bunch of outfits there so I don't have to like run home. Got a bunch of my little outfits. These are newborn. I'm like out of breath. And then this one is so cute. I have the same for a little boy, except his is in gray. And then just like in case we need like all these clothes, I just have them all packed, like preemie, just like a whole bunch, guys. Like this is out of control. Oh, here's boys, and here's another. A lot of these things that are boys are all from Hudson when he was baby, So that was nice. I didn't have to like repurchase anything. I honestly don't think they're gonna be this size. I think they're gonna be either preemie or newborn for sure. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh, here's the matching for boy and the matching. Okay, and then I brought just like a bunch of little beanies because I wasn't sure if they were gonna have tiny heads or if their heads were gonna be like normal baby size. So I just brought a variety of different ones because I have so many different sizes in here, ranging from like preemie to 0 to 3 month. So those are all the clothes that I bought. I brought a couple more outfits for boy actually. This, guys, I fit everything in there though. This shark, and then this little guy right here. Okay, so those are all the clothes that I brought and all the hats that I brought. So I haven't packed any diapers in here, which I need to do. We have a registry on Amazon, and yeah, so we were waiting on somebody to buy diapers. We're so rude, but seriously, like hashtag we need diapers. So we finally got 2 boxes, so we're waiting on those. So I'll pack a bunch of diapers in here. But we've got a ton of wipes, so I've got some wipes in here. And then I have a bunch of pacifiers. And then I brought a baby bow. I don't know how big her head's gonna be, so I'm only bringing 1 for now. If you guys wanna see all the baby bows that I made for her, just let me know, because I made a bunch of baby bows and they're so freaking cute, in my opinion. And then obviously I'm gonna bring my pump. I think I told you in my last video, I'm gonna try doing a little bit of both. I've been so like conflicted on what I was gonna do with nursing, and I think I said I exclusively want to just do formula, but I think at this point I'm gonna try doing both, but I don't want to like physically nurse. I think I just want to do pumping and then do formula. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. I'm just happy to do whatever works for us and whatever I'm sane doing, because right now I'm kind of a crazy person. So at this point I'm like, I don't know what I want to do. So I'll probably bring some more Aiden and Ice blankets. I will definitely bring formula, and I will bring their bottles. I just ordered those on Amazon. I literally ordered the last of everything that I needed, and I'm so excited to just be like done and say the babies can come, and it just like relieves me so much. So yeah, that's pretty much it that I'm gonna bring for the babies. I didn't really pack too many socks. I need to order socks. I need to make sure I have socks for them, because but it's like hot here. I just like don't know what I should do. So diapers in here, wipes in here, and then I need to have, guys, I'm like all over the place. I'll bring my pump. I have the Spectra 2. Got that through insurance. If you guys are pregnant and you guys are wanting to get a breast pump, just try and contact your insurance company and see if they cover it. Mine did. I went through Aeroflow breast pumps, so that was awesome. And I got a free one. So what else? I brought that. I'm gonna bring a little thing of like baby lotion and baby wash, so I can give them a little bath in the hospital if we are there for a week for my recovery. If they don't have NICU time and I'm there for like a week, I will probably end up giving them a bath because I love baby smell. What else? I definitely need to have nursing pads in here. I feel like this bag is not as prepared as I made it seem. I have a bunch of pads that I'm currently using that I will probably be using. These are like extra thick for any type of leakage. I probably won't have too much because I'm going to be having a C-section, but you know, my crotch is just in pain right now, so I'm sure it's still going to be in pain once I have the babies. So I brought a bunch of underwear. I brought a bunch of socks because that's one thing that I regret not bringing to the hospital last time. They have their like socks that they give you at the hospital, but I mean, they only give you like one pair. So I brought a bunch of socks this time around, and I'm gonna get some slippers with like traction on the bottom. That's on my list too, so that I can like walk around if I can. Because my toes were frozen. They were literally frozen. And I'm going to bring a couple blankets and a pillow, because I feel like every time I've gone into the hospital, if I've gone into like triage or just like been admitted or anything, I'm always freezing cold. They don't ever have enough blankets or pillows or socks or anything. So I want to make sure that I have slippers, socks. I have a bunch of socks in here. I brought a bunch of sweats. I have a bunch of sweats in here, which I keep on taking out and like wearing them and washing them and then just hurrying and popping them back in there. A bunch of underwear, like I said. I brought a bunch of nursing sports bras, which I think I made a video on some bras that I had that are nursing friendly. This is like my favorite one ever. It's just so comfortable. You can like unclamp it so it's easy to nurse the babies, and I have a couple of those in there. And then I brought a couple of just like normal sports bras that I may not need to nurse with. Like, who knows, maybe my milk won't fully come in. I feel like it's still in, like if I squeeze a little bit comes out still, just like colostrum. So, and then I brought a bunch of like t-shirts and tank tops, like nursing tank tops, and then just like some plain, well not plain, that's striped, some just like normal tank tops. I brought a long sleeve thermal t-shirt in there because it gets so cold in the hospital. I brought some like cheer kind of shorts just to like relax in, and just a bunch of like tank tops, like I said, because honestly, you just want what's easy in the hospital. You don't want to dress up and feel like you're restrained or something like that. I'm like rummaging through here. And then when I walk around the hospital or just like walk around the room, I have my little robe so I can wear this instead of wearing the ugly hospital robe. Hopefully they'll let me wear this. This is what I've been so excited about wearing. This is my favorite robe ever. I got this from Pink Blush Maternity, and it's just like my favorite robe ever. I wear it all the time, and I just really hope that I can wear it in the hospital and they'll let me, because that is something that I love so much. Is that robe. It's so cute. So I honestly, I don't have like anything new in here other than girl clothes, some blankets, and a couple boy outfits. All the hats are brand new. These pacifiers are so freaking cute. These ones are Ma'am, and then these ones are from the brand called Bibs. So freaking cute. I collaborated with them, and their binkies are just so cute. So I'm excited to see how their little mouths look with the little binkies in there. So I have all of their clothes. I just like brought so many because I don't know how much to bring, because I don't know how big they're gonna be. So anyways, this video is so long. I feel like I've rambled on for forever and I'm so annoying. But honestly, like, this is the real world hospital bag. And I've got to remember to put a bag in there with my makeup, because I'm gonna have makeup on if I can help it. Unless I go into labor and I'm in so much pain, I'm not gonna wear makeup, but I'm gonna make it a goal of mine to put a shiz ton of makeup on. And that's what I wanna do. I wanna have my eyelashes on. I wanna look good because I have my photographer coming, and I just want to look so cute and have good pictures and a good video. And yeah, so what I need to have in my bag are a few things. So, and I've got to get some diapers and maybe some like ice packs for my crotch. I definitely am not delivering vaginally because one's transverse and one's breech. So that's probably not gonna happen, but I'm sure my crotch is still gonna hurt because it does right now, but I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm bringing to the hospital besides like the essentials that I'm still using right now, like body wash, makeup, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me wearing Court's t-shirt and looking like a scrub. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.